Hey guys, good morning. Today is December 16th and today's gonna be a very casual day because my cousin is coming over so that we can film her making Coquito, which is a very traditional holiday drink. So I'm so excited to show you guys how she makes it because it's gonna be my first time making it as well. Before she arrives, I'm gonna show you guys my very simple outfit of the day. It's very bummy. Today I'm wearing this casual cropped hoodie, not hoodie, like sweatshirt that I got from TK Maxx 2 days ago. It was like 15 bucks. And under I'm just wearing a crop top that's from Brandy Melville. It's just a striped crop top. And I have these Banana Republic leggings because they're so comfortable. So I'm probably gonna stay barefoot or just wear these shower slippers throughout the day. Yeah, it's probably gonna be my outfit for the day because it's very comfy. Today it's very gloomy. It is raining a lot outside and I just feel like being comfortable. As you guys can see, it's been looking like this the whole day. In the morning, it actually looks like it is so dark, even though it's like 10 a.m.
Y lo botó, dije, que vaya para allá. Y luego nada más conmigo a salir. Que ella quiere ser moderna, de que ahora. Y él dije, oh, pero ella como loca, me para como idiota para allá. Y yo dije, bueno, mío, pero no lo digo, pero mira, se fue, dice, sí, ella decía, yo no puedo hablar de aquí, él fue para allá y se fue a bailar para la pista.
So these are the ingredients for Coquito. This is not going to be a professional video, you're just going to have to go with it. We have cream of coconut, crema de coco, evaporated milk, what is this? Condensed milk, cinnamon sticks, nutmeg, is this? Oh, more cinnamon, and alcohol. You can use the Bacardi that has the coconut flavor. Mami, por favor. Coconut flavor or just the normal one, and then also coconut flakes or just like ground coconut.
Yeah, shredded coconut.
Is it sweetened? Or?
Yeah, it's sweetened.
You sound so innocent. Oh, and ginger. But we'll let you know what measurements
It's
we
only
use
like
throughout.
a sliver.
You have a can opener? Oh, tenemos un can opener.
Ay, ahí va a flaquear la situación. Y tanta lata. Ay, entonces, no, pero verdad, estoy preocupada ahora con la coco, no. ¿Cómo se llama? Con el coco, no. Coco loco.
Big fail already. What do you call can openers? We don't have that in this household. So you gotta do it.
Mami, no.
Ay, sorry. I'm already getting in trouble.
Each serving is made up of 2 cans of the evaporated milk. So we're making.
So there's
10
20 here,
servings.
and there's okay.
Yeah. Do it really low because we just want it to simmer. Liquor and do just under a cup to start. And this is from DR.
Really?
It's nice and thick too. Ooh, just a little bit. Add as I go.
Thank you, the nicely, for the Leslie gift. So beautiful pajama. I like the color. Yay!
Christmas Santa, tell me if you're really there.
Na, 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 na. Christmas! Yo creo que
Time to decorate. Okay, so we have, or she has. I'm just using this for content. What do you call these? Peppermint. What do you call
Candy
them?
canes.
Candy canes. And these 3 kinds of ribbons. This one's a velvet for Christmas. This matches the PJs that I have right now.
So cute. We got glittery ones, silver glitter.
Oh, I didn't see that one till now.
Oh yeah. Silver glitter. And then the like the rope with it has silver glitter too. Oh, we got these. The snowflakes. Ah. And the bells.
So now we're gonna
Forget
get to
it festive.
decorating, and we're just gonna fast forward this because there's a lot. Has the ribbons and the snowflake and the jingles. Jingle bells, jingle bells. There's also the velvet one.
Sparkles with the candy cane.
Yay! Oh, and the camera's dying, so thank you guys for watching today. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye
And Merry
bye.
Christmas.